Thank you for registering with Oryx Learning. We are honored that you have chosen to use our product. You will not be disappointed. This short video will help you get started and show you some key features of the program. You can easily switch between the parent and learner account. You can use the parent account to access and modify the program. In the student mode, you can see the lessons as it would appear to your learner. On the Profile and Settings page, the learner's username and profile picture can be set. Suitable lessons can be selected both by the learner's grade and topics. Place the cursor on the lesson name to preview. When logged in as the parent, you can experience the lesson as a student, but your progress will not be recorded. Make sure that the learner is using their own account when completing their lessons, so their progress will be recorded. You can also assign the lessons to your learners. Assignments can be easily scheduled and rescheduled. Use the homework button on the left of the lesson. Remember that this icon only appears when you are logged in as a parent. You can see detailed activity and progress reports to check the learner's mastery of the content and areas that need remediation. This will be explained in more detail in another video. You can manage your subscription and add new learners through the Membership and Settings page. Learners should use their own account to practice. Notice that each unit has a pre-assessment. We recommend that the learner take the pre-assessment for each unit as they progress through the lessons. The program will create an individualized learning path tailored to their needs by recognizing previously mastered skills and will mark the lessons they need to practice. Once the learner has completed the unit, taking the post-assessment will provide a detailed progress report showing skills mastered and will reassign the lessons that need more practice. We encourage you to watch the other videos available to learn more about the features of Oryx Learning. Please reach out to us if you have any issues or concerns. We appreciate any feedback that will help us improve our program. You can contact us by clicking the Contact Us link below.